Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan, and in today's video I'm going to be introducing a new line of makeup called Botanico. This is the high-end line of makeup from Kiro. So you can see the packaging is really nice and different. It says Botanico Timeless Matte Compact. So I have the compact and the mascara to talk to you guys about in today's video. So you guys know Kiro is one of my favorite brands and I love their products. So I feel like Kiro as a brand has mindfully created a lot of products with really good skincare ingredients in it. And when you start to use their products is when you realize that they are not like some of the other products that are available in the market. Like for example, I have their liquid lipstick right now on my lips, water dark shade. Look at the pigmentation, look at the way it looks on my lips. I love it. So what is Botanico? Botanico, as the brand calls it, is India's first naturally derived makeup range. So most of their ingredients are naturally derived. So if you're someone who's skeptical of wearing makeup every day, you're worried about the ingredients, the whole perspective of this particular range is that you don't have to be that conscious when you're using makeup every single day. Firstly, I will be talking about the compact. Like I mentioned, this is the packaging of the compact powder. I really like it. It's a little bit different from their usual packaging. So in this you get 9 grams of product and this retails for 1,200 rupees. This has maracuja oil, goji seed oil, grapefruit extract, and it's said to be an airbrush finish ultra fine powder. It is supposed to be waterproof, buildable coverage and velvet touch. So firstly, this is how the compact powder looks like, and here they have the shade mentioned. And so when you open the compact powder, right here you have a nice mirror and a finely milled powder, and then when you open it this way you have a slot for your puff. You can also store a bigger size of a puff, like a thicker puff if you want to, because you get a lot of space right here. So coming to this powder itself, I tried to apply it with and without like foundation. So firstly, I tried to apply it just on my bare skin to see if it gives any coverage, and I was quite surprised. It actually gave me like a light medium coverage. I couldn't build on it too much because I have normal skin type and it would start to look a little too much on my skin. So this would work if you want like a light medium coverage and a powder, something that can keep your oil at bay and not make your face look too oily, and something that could be long lasting as well. So to test that on my skin, I did use the puff itself and it applies the product really well, and I feel like this way you would get more coverage as opposed to trying it out with a brush, if in case you are looking at coverage more than anything else. And then of course I did try it out with my dewy foundation and a little bit of dewy products underneath it, and I must say I did go a little overhand with the dewy products, but this is the only way I could test a compact powder out, because where I live it's not very hot right now and I'm not someone who gets oily that easily, or I don't really sweat a lot on my face. So if I apply a little bit of like dewy products, I can test out and see how mattifying this product is. But if in case you're someone with oily skin and you have like combination oily skin, or you sweat a lot on your face and you were looking for a compact powder, I wanted to see if I could recommend this to you guys, of course. So this is what I have set my foundation with, and I really like how it looks. Okay, it's not looking cakey and it's not making it look very dry. It's setting everything in place really well, but looks skin-like, you know, it's not too matte. So the dewy products I applied underneath it, this is not completely evading the purpose of that. So it adds that subtle glow to my skin and I really like it that way. So I would recommend this compact powder for people with normal, combination oily and oily skin type. You can try it out if you have dry skin. So this compact powder comes in 6 different shades. I have another shade right here. So the shade that I have used is Honey Tan 05, which is a pretty good match for me, and the shade 06 Cinnamon Tan is a deeper shade and it doesn't really work for my skin tone. It is a little bit deeper, and this is the deepest shade. I just wish that the brand would expand their shade range, because Cinnamon Tan is the deepest shade and I think that it wouldn't match people with very deep skin tones. So if you are a shade or two darker than my skin tone, it could work for you, but anywhere deeper than that, it might not. So overall, going through the claims, I feel like it is definitely giving me that airbrush finish. It is an ultra fine powder. It has buildable coverage, velvet touch, waterproof. So apart from testing out the waterproof claim, which it is waterproof and it doesn't really like dissolve with water on your face, I also wanted to test if it is mask proof. It is definitely mask proof. As you guys can see, it doesn't really transfer onto the mask and it wears really well throughout the day. It doesn't really oxidize on the skin. So in the demo that I'm showing you guys, I already have this compact powder for over like about 7 to 8 hours and it still looks nice and fresh. It has like a soft finish on your skin and it has that slightly blurring effect and it's not exaggerating anything. It's not making my skin look a little bit too dry and it just looks really nice. And also, apart from setting my entire face with this, I also did something that I usually don't really do. I don't really use compact powders for underneath my eye, but I just wanted to try this one out in case you are someone who uses compact powder to set your concealer, and I did so, and you can see it looks smooth and it's not caking up, it's not creasing, it's not settling onto the lines, no product buildup. So I really like that. So it is definitely a smooth and finely milled powder, and it's also keeping the concealer in place. Usually I always complain about concealers fading away from the inner part of my eye, and it's not doing anything of that sort. So if you're someone with oily skin, you sweat a lot on your face and you wanted to keep that at bay, you wanted something a little bit long lasting, you could try this out. And next up, we're moving on to the next product that we have. This is the Kiro Botanico Super Shield Mascara. So this has avocado oil and calendula extract to it. So this is said to be again ophthalmologically tested and it's cruelty free. It's a vegan mascara and it's supposed to be non-clumpy and lengthening and also add a good volume to your lashes, and I feel like it does exactly that. It is added really good amount of length and volume, and as something else I noticed with this mascara is that it's kind of black. So it actually coats your lashes and makes it look really nice and black. And yeah, it's called carbon black. So it's definitely like really black on your lashes. I really like that. Sometimes you don't really see that in a lot of mascaras that make your lashes look black. So it's what I have on my eyes today as well, and I really like the effect this mascara is giving. Ooh, and it's said to be 99% natural derived ingredients. So this is what the actual tube of the mascara looks like. So nice, luxe, looks sleek, I love it. And this is what the actual wand looks like. So it's a beautiful wand, okay? Sometimes it's not just the formulation of the mascara, it's majorly the wand. And if you get the wand right, you actually get the mascara right. And I feel like it's just so good. And usually I can't use such a big wand on my lower lash line, but I did, and it's not like creating a mess on my lower lash line, and it's not clumping up, it's not goopy, and it's just staying in place. So another thing that a lot of people are afraid of using is mascaras like on a daily basis. I feel like this could be a good alternative, and it doesn't really burn my eye, it doesn't sting my eye. I have super sensitive eyes and I have specific mascaras that I stick to, so I can for sure see myself reaching out for this so much. And so yeah, I really love this one and definitely see myself reaching out for this so much. And so you guys know, if I love a product, I will use it thoroughly and I will make sure that I recommend it a lot of times on my channel. You will know when you see this in the next couple of videos for sure. Love this one. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I will leave all the links in the description box below for you guys to check out. Make sure you do check them out and let me know what are your thoughts about these products, and let me know what other videos you would like to watch in the comment section down below. And while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.